Today, we're diving into a fascinating and scary topic: hacker hardware. In 2025, hacking isn't just about code anymore. It's about gadgets, compact, dangerous, and powerful tools that can bypass security, hijack networks, clone data, and vanish without a trace. Some of these things are tiny, like fit in a pen small. Others look like toys. Harmless, right? Wrong. And then there are the ones disguised so well, you won't even realize you're being hacked until it's too late. So buckle up, because today we're counting down the top 10 must-have dangerous hacking gadgets in 2025. Let's do this. Kicking off our list at number 10, we've got the Flipper Zero. If you're into cybersecurity or electronics, you've probably heard of this little guy. This pocket-sized device is the Swiss Army knife of hacking tools. It specializes in RFID and NFC hacking, cloning keycards for work, building access, even hotel rooms. Tap-to-pay systems? Not safe either. It can also jam and replay signals like garage door openers, car remotes, and some wireless security systems. It's like having an entire radio frequency lab crammed into something the size of a car key. The craziest part? The Flipper Zero is marketed as a tool for security researchers and hobbyists. While it's great for learning, in the wrong hands, it's a hacker's dream come true. At number 9 is the Rubber Ducky 2.0. It looks like an ordinary USB drive, but it's actually a keyboard in disguise. Once plugged in, it pretends to be a keyboard and starts typing pre-programmed scripts at superhuman speeds. This allows hackers to open backdoors, download malicious payloads, steal browser passwords, and take control of your system. It can even work on locked computers in some cases. So, next time someone offers you a free USB drive, think twice before plugging it in. It might just be a rubber ducky ready to wreak havoc on your digital life. At number 8, we've got the WiFi Pineapple Mark 7. This tool is the ultimate for setting Wi-Fi traps. It creates fake Wi-Fi hotspots that look legit, like the free Wi-Fi at a coffee shop or an airport. When you connect, you're actually connecting to the hacker's device. The Pineapple can intercept all your internet traffic, steal your login credentials, and inject malicious code into websites you visit. Most people don't realize they're connected to a rogue hotspot until it's too late. So next time you're about to connect to public Wi-Fi, take a quick look around. If you see a suspicious device with antennas, steer clear. It might just be a Wi-Fi Pineapple lying in wait. At number 7 is a device so sneaky, it's downright evil. This is not just any ordinary piece of tech, it's a wolf in sheep's clothing. I'm talking about the O.MG Cable, a seemingly innocent USB charging cable with a dark secret. This thing looks exactly like a normal USB charging cable, indistinguishable from the ones you use every day. But hidden inside is a Wi-Fi chip, remote control capabilities, and payload injection tech. It's a hacker's dream come true. Hackers can send it in the mail, leave it at a coffee shop, or hand it to you directly. The possibilities are endless. Once you plug it in, game over. Your device is compromised in an instant. The O.MG Cable can execute remote scripts without you knowing, giving hackers full control. It can steal your data, log your keystrokes, and even turn on your device's camera and microphone. Your privacy is at risk. You don't even have to transfer any data for it to work. Just having it plugged in is enough. Just plugging it in is enough to get infected. It's that simple and that dangerous. So be careful what you plug into your devices. Always be vigilant. That free charging cable you just found might be a wolf in sheep's clothing. Always think twice before using unknown cables. At number 6, we've got the Proxmark 3, the ultimate RFID and NFC hacking tool. This device gives hackers complete control over RFID and NFC systems. It can read, clone, and emulate access cards, crack weak encryption, and replay badge scans to sneak into secure buildings. Think secure office doors, hotel keycards, even some tap-to-pay systems. With the Proxmark 3, hackers can create their own access cards, steal your card information, and disable RFID tags. It's a master key for the physical world, popular among criminals. Protect yourself by being mindful of your surroundings and investing in an RFID blocking wallet or sleeve. For businesses, upgrading to more secure RFID systems is a must. At number 5 is a device so tiny it's practically invisible. I'm talking about the ESPKey, a hardware keylogger that hides inside a keyboard's USB cable. Once installed, the ESPKey logs every single keystroke you make. Passwords, credit card numbers, private messages, you name it. It even logs those embarrassing typos you make at 3 a.m. The ESPKey can silently send all that stolen data back to the hacker via Wi-Fi. It doesn't require any software to be installed on your computer. It's all done through the keyboard itself. If you're ever using a public computer or borrowing a keyboard from someone you don't know, be extra careful. That innocent-looking keyboard might just be a keylogger in disguise. At number 4, we've got the KeySy, a device that's every car owner's worst nightmare. This small, unassuming gadget can cause big problems. This gadget clones and replays signals from remote key fobs, making it easy for thieves to steal your car. With just a few clicks, they can gain access to your vehicle without breaking a sweat. The KeySy captures the radio frequency signals your key fob sends to your car when you lock or unlock the doors. These signals are then stored in the device, ready to be used at any time. It then creates a perfect copy of your key fob, allowing the hacker to unlock your car, start the engine, and drive away without needing your physical key. Imagine the horror of waking up to find your car missing, all because of this tiny device. The KeySy can also clone garage door openers, gate remotes, and some security systems. This means that not only your car, but also your home and other secure areas are at risk. If it uses a remote control, the KeySy can hack it. From your garage to your front gate, nothing is safe from this device. Protect yourself by being aware of your surroundings and upgrading to a newer, more secure key fob system if you have an older car. Investing in additional security measures can also help safeguard your property from this high-tech threat. At number 3 is the Bash Bunny, a hacker's dream come true. This device is not just any ordinary USB stick, it's a powerful tool designed for penetration testing and security assessments. This innocent-looking USB stick is a multi-exploit tool that can launch a wide range of attacks on any computer it's plugged into. From credential harvesting to network infiltration, the Bash Bunny can do it all. Think of the Bash Bunny as a rubber ducky on steroids. While the Rubber Ducky is known for its keystroke injection attacks, the Bash Bunny takes it a step further with more complex and versatile exploits. It can run full Linux payloads, automatically detect the operating system of the target computer, and launch a series of exploits to gain access to sensitive data. Whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux, the Bash Bunny adapts seamlessly. One of its most dangerous features is its ability to create a backdoor into a target system. This means that even after the initial attack, the hacker can maintain access to the compromised system. Even after the device is removed, the hacker can still remotely access the computer. This persistent access can lead to prolonged data breaches and unauthorized surveillance. To protect yourself, be extremely careful about what USB devices you plug into your computer. Always verify the source of the USB stick before using it. If you don't recognize the device, don't plug it in. It's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to USB security. Stay vigilant and protect your data. At number 2, we have the HackRF, a software-defined radio that gives hackers the power to manipulate wireless signals. This device can transmit and receive radio signals across a wide frequency range, making it a versatile tool for hacking. Want to jam wireless signals? The HackRF can do that. Want to intercept and decode pager messages? No problem. How about eavesdropping on conversations over wireless microphones? Yup, it can do that too. The HackRF true power lies in exploiting vulnerabilities in wireless protocols. Hackers can use this device to gain access to wireless networks, intercept sensitive data, and take control of IoT devices. Protect yourself by securing your wireless networks with strong passwords and up-to-date encryption protocols. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pi-based portable exploit station. We're talking about taking a Raspberry Pi 5, a small, cheap, and versatile computer, and turning it into a portable hacking lab. With a power bank, a few hacking tools, and some know-how, the Raspberry Pi 5 transforms into a potent weapon. It can launch man-in-the-middle attacks, host phishing websites, brute force its way into local networks, and more. Since the Raspberry Pi is small and energy efficient, hackers can easily disguise it. The best defense against these portable hacking stations? Vigilance. Be wary of suspicious devices connected to your network. Keep your software updated and educate yourself on network security basics. Knowledge is power in the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. So there you have it, folks. The 10 must-have dangerous hacking gadgets in 2025. We used to think cybersecurity was just about firewalls, antivirus, and VPNs. But the game has changed. In 2025, the real threats are physical, portable, and often invisible. These gadgets are small, dangerous, and deadly silent. They can be hidden in plain sight, disguised as everyday objects, and used to steal your data and hijack your devices. The best way to defend yourself? Be aware. Never plug in unknown devices. Stay updated, because hackers definitely are.